Hi everyone, my name is Nanapu Sirisha. I am studying in 5th semester in Computer Science and Engineering in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today our topic is Agile Project Management Techniques, V module and recent software tools in postgraduate. This our supervision. First, we study about the abstract. Abstract is due to the nature of the most postgraduate. This it is control the engineering and their stimulates industrial and software engineering project. It will deals with the software engineering and it also control the technique how the project is working on and with combined approved system engineering and team working tools such as Jira software, Microsoft Teams and Git version control. A custom designed V module to nail and outstanding this is presented. The overall blend method is beneficial to provide in this abstract. In this project we use the V module application. Next is introduction. Introduction. Postgraduate in this supervision a long-term iterative process that need appropriate concentration and mental effect. In particular, when the number of students increase or the supervisor involves with other administrative research and this technical responsibility and supervision quality of the suffer based on the separate force 200 surveys. 2000 surveys are conducted in the Sweden and Norway. About 23 and 29 and 33% of the students reported pure advisory, which some cases led to students withdrawing from their studies. The proposed approach in this paper aimed to solve some of the aforementioned challenges in this supervision. To establish the information accessibility and communication and the collaboration to control the engineering as a significant influence on system engineering approaches. It is benefited from the counterparts and prevent and solution to find the prevalent solutions. Literature survey. In this survey, we have the range of topics such as modeling, stimulation, implementation and testing, integration, software engineering, and other engineering subjects are profound understanding the system even through some of the knowledge. In this industry, filling the gap is academic education by embedded system engineering topics can power the students can also to either meet the job requirements leading how the project is going on, how the project is developed and the other job opportunity of them. On this other hand, exploring the well-established system engineering approaches would assign the realization of by creating the quality designed the time. The first one is improve the students' practical knowledge and cover the mediated gap during their studies to the industry ready. Next is assist them to declaring high quality. This is project is time manner. The present student set and provide the weight of the above mentioned goals. Methodology. V module application to control the engineering things. In this V module, we resolve from the core system engineering philosophy and define the requirements to provide the solution meant for the requirements. The different level we reflect the recognition that big problem will recognize the complex solutions. First is illustrate a range of discipline. First we need the discipline and makeup system engineering and knowledge. Modify from the topic above the top dashed line and typically covered in the academic solutions. In this different system architecture may lead to different subsystem and or components. Hence, discuss the requirements and lower level to the weak who still meet the some top level need. Agile Agile Scrum methodology development on overview. How the capture the key customers requirements and identify the user stories or user cases and place any may design constraint. In this product we have the backlog where next is select a subtop of high priority stories and develop the first of them. How the sprint backlog need and at the sprint planning meeting the development team to plan and delivery things. Next is during the sprint the team meets the regular basics daily stand for scrum meeting and they will ensure that the meeting their communication to prove their communication resolve the issues of the arrest or they ensure they can be good communication with each other. At the end of the sprint, two events are held. One is sprint review and next is sprint retrospective. Uh, sprint review is the team demonstrate the delivery of the product element and the acceptance by the product owner. It next is sprint retrospective. The team reflect the approach, take the development and a process action to improve the effectiveness on the future. This is the V module, how the project is developed by the engineerings. First is this concept. The concept is given by the client and it was the next is literature review and gathering the knowledge and collaboration the basic details and alternate solutions and define the control area and keep it also designed by the engineers where it requirement stage it will send to the another person where melting web systems and increment demonstrate and the limitation development in theory substance proof. Next is subsystem and system stimulation and coding is done by the another department where it will also identify the system identification. Again we send to the another person where system increments and it will test the stimulation environment and stable analysis. Next is high field stimulation and laboratory field of application and the fine tuning and the stimulation and analyzing the software. Next is this outcomes communicative feedback and publication. This goal is achieved or not and knowledge academic and prepare and the viva. It will want to satisfy the customer through the which have taken the module and we have to take them the module embeds the controller design and implement procedure. The bottom level mainly include the MSDIT procedure stand for the first modeling. We want to model the first we want to take the requirements of the client and next is stimulation. We want to design the practical way according to the client requirements and next is designed. We want to design the product and next is implementation. It will also check the coding testing and everything is be done in this V module. If the code is the software is not client is not okay in this software, we want to go back and we want to check the everything is according to the client's requirements. Next is Agile Scrum project management in the control engineering. This supervision. First is define the task. Define the task. We want to take a task as accomplished based on the breakdown the project ran off in the sprint period or defined. This task can be reviewed to the each sprint. Second is create a backlog list. Once any task or issue are recognized, It should be reckoned by the list of the academic description. This is the small example of the how this Scrum framework has been done in this supervision. Next is the proposed blind approach. Next is applications of Agile approach in education and pedagogy is proposed in some students, and the breakdown has the Scrum process management. It will control the engineering to tightly interconnected with the programming and stimulation tools where MATLAB and Python are commonly used in the coding framework. Sharing data and repos micro tools such as OneDrive, SharePoint can be used because of their accessibility in the more entertainment. Otherwise, the applications such as Slack, Confluence, GitHub, the code be replaced by the cycle proposed. Next is conclusion. The paper presentation behind the approach and relevant tools such as the supervision of postgraduate students. Firstly, we have to currently skills gap between the university education and the job market demand on graduate control engineering on discover to fulfill that the faculty the students research and chain of system engineering technique are must required in this solutions. Thank you.